Welcome back to this class. This is 1.4, where we'll be talking about the ethical and legal consideration when it comes to car tracking. Number one, let's talk about you know the uh, consent requirements. Consent requirements for car tracking. You know, you need to let somebody know, let the person know that you're tracking, you're installing tracker in their cars. Especially if you are selling cars to someone, or you are, probably in the case of Uber or Bolt or your staffs, you don't need to know. In fact, sometimes I feel like it's better you tell them so they can behave themselves. So because prevention is actually better than cure. So once they know that you're tracking them, they will be cautious and not misbehave, misyan or misdrive or misfire. It gets very important. Let them know that you have trackers on this car so they can behave, so they can uh, apply wisdom in whatever they are doing. The privacy laws is not really very good to trust somebody without their consent or their knowledge. It's very important. You can violate their privacy laws like that. Let me give an instance. We have a client that bought a car from some people, I think somewhere in Nigeria, and now these people sold a Jeep for her and they put two trackers on it. And I think they had small issues back and forth, and they said they want their car back. This guy has finished paying you, and you want to collect this car from me. That was a very serious offense, a serious case. And he had to go to Alagbon, which is the FCID Alagbon. He called us to come and check the cars and see if there are trackers on it truly. We brought you know our devices because really do removal of tracker also. We have to we have to bring our equipment to sweep the car. Sweeping means to look out for where there are trackers with our equipment. To have a bug detector device, we'll check everywhere. The bug detector could not see it. Maybe it was well hidden. We have to now do physical search. We search everywhere and we found out there are two trackers that was installed on that car. We had to help them remove it, and it was kept there for investigation purposes. The car is still there. Then also data protection. Let's look at the personal data that are collected by tracking system will be secured and comply with law like GDR, GDPR and CCP. California. I don't think Africans has this kind of law like that. So the whole world follows all these Europe and America laws and standards when it comes to privacy and data protection regulations. Okay, then employee monitoring laws. Business tracking a company vehicles must inform employees and follow labor laws. You have to, like I said, you have to inform them that they are being tracked, so they have to behave themselves. Actually, it's very good they are aware that they are being tracked, so they can behave instead of you allowing them, like not letting them know, and they steal the car. You're now going through the hassle of going to retrieve the car. It's a lot of work. So let them know so they can behave themselves. This is very important as a newbie in the system of or the business of car tracking and fleet management. You have to know all these policies, all these laws and regulations so you can function better and act better and run your business efficiently. All right. So I'm going to drop the video how we remove that, we retrieve that vehicles, remove all the trackers. I want to put like this video. So the next course now, next lesson, I'm going to watch the video briefly. And after then, we'll end this module. We'll enter the next module. Thank you very much. See you.